it's Carla Clayton, the Wellness Lady, and today I'm going to share with you how to make an amazing breakfast smoothie that's packed full of fruits, vegetables, proteins to help you have the energy you need to power through your day. And so I'm going to show you some of my secrets and my tips and one of my favorite recipes. So I want to give you a little background. I was in Mexico last spring and they served this delicious green juice, and I said, oh, this is so good, what's the recipe? And they shared the recipe with me, and so I've made a few modifications and made this something that is just amazing. So I use celery, cucumber, banana, mango, and raspberry and orange juice, and then I like to add some organic super greens. So I'm going to share with you a couple of tips, and then I'm going to show you how to make it. Oh, and I put my protein powder in it. Okay, so my first tip is prepare, like when you bring home some celery and cucumbers, go ahead and cut up all your celery, put it in a container to put in the refrigerator, so every day is so easy just to grab a little handful, throw in the blender. Grab a little handful of cucumbers. I now have 2 servings of vegetables already in my breakfast. Then the next thing I'm going to do is, in order to kind of hide the taste of the vegetables, orange juice is a really good way to do that. So I put about a cup of orange juice. I like the Florida Natural 100%, not from concentrate. Then the next thing is to add mango. I put about 1/4 cup of mango, about 1/4 cup of raspberry. Now, you can use either or, but I wanted to share these with you. These 2 fruits really cover up the flavor of vegetables in your smoothies. Next, I don't know about you, but when I buy spinach and broccoli fresh, they usually go bad in my refrigerator. So I love this product, Organic Superfoods Greens. It's nothing but dehydrated spinach, broccoli, and kale. So it's packed full of all the nutrients. I'm just going to add that. That's the equivalent of a cup of those leafy greens, which are so good for your skin, for your energy, for your cells. Next, to add a little creaminess, I like to add a banana, about 1/2 or 1/4 of a banana. And then the most important ingredient in my book is, how do you balance out all the sugars that we put in there, those natural sugars that are loaded with good fruits, in the fruits that are loaded with good vitamins. We need to balance our blood sugars by adding a good protein. Now, this protein that I use is a full meal replacement. So you can use this because it's got the fat, the fibers, the protein, lots of vitamins and minerals, digestive enzymes are in this one. Or you can go with something that's a more plain, like this energizing soy protein, which I love, which is just the protein with some vitamins like B vitamins to really boost your energy. So you can go either way. I like to actually do a little combo, do a scoop of each, and that makes a really good shake. Now, if it's too thick, I just add some purified water, which I'll show you. I'm actually going to put 2 in here of the protein. And guys, that's how you make breakfast loaded with fruits and vegetables. I was going to add a little water, purified water with my Get Clean water pitcher. Oh, and the very good secret ingredient I almost forgot. Ice, very important. Then we're just gonna blend it. Now, if you do not have an amazing, wonderful blender, I wanna make a recommendation. I don't have any endorsement on this, but this Oster is amazing with the glass jar. It only has 2 speeds. It's so simple, low and high. I read all the reviews before I bought it. This one's about, I want to say $50, $60. And the reviews said that people who had Vitamixes or Blendtex, that this one was almost comparable as far as the quality of the blending, and so as far as making smoothies. So it works great. So I'll just show you what this looks like. Very well blended your fruits and vegetables. To make these, you really do need a powerful blender. Your little handheld ones don't typically do the job to make it a nice smooth blending. I hope you enjoyed this tip today and that you'll go add some fruits and veggies. Just experiment. You don't have to follow any recipe specifically. Just, you need a liquid base, you need some protein powder, you need some fruits and some vegetables. Mix them all together and make a wonderful blend. And now I can tell you that I am starting my day with about 6 servings of fruits and vegetables, maybe more because of what's in that Life Shake. So hop over to my website, wellnesslady.com, because I've got lots of other tips and tricks and books and all kinds of materials for you to download so you can live a healthier life.